Today, I'm showing you how to download and install Nord VPN on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the icon with a colorful triangle. Step 2. Search for Nord VPN. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Nord VPN. Step 3. Select the official app. When the search results appear, look for Nord VPN VPN Fast and Secure, developed by NordSec. Make sure it's the official Nord VPN app. Tap on it to open the app page. Step 4. Install the app. On the app page, tap the blue Install button. The app will begin downloading automatically. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Wait for installation. The Play Store will download and install the app automatically. You'll see a progress bar showing the download status. Once it reaches 100%, the installation is complete. Step 6. Open Nord VPN. Once installation finishes, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to launch the Nord VPN app for the first time. You can also find the Nord VPN icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 7. Sign in or create account. When you first open NordVPN, you'll be prompted to sign in with your existing NordVPN account or create a new one. If you already have a subscription, tap Log in and enter your credentials. If you're new to NordVPN, tap Sign up to choose a subscription plan. Step 8. Grant VPN permissions. NordVPN will ask for permission to set up a VPN connection on your device. Tap OK or Allow when prompted. This is necessary for the VPN to work properly and protect your internet connection. Step 9. Choose your server. Once logged in, you can either tap Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest server or tap the country list to choose a specific server location. Selecting different countries lets you access region-specific content. What is NordVPN? NordVPN is a virtual private network service that encrypts your internet connection and protects your online privacy. It hides your IP address, secures your data on public Wi-Fi, and allows you to access content from different regions. Start using NordVPN. Once connected, you'll see a green checkmark or protected status. Your internet traffic is now encrypted and secure. You can browse, stream, and download with enhanced privacy and security. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed NordVPN on your Android device and are ready to browse the internet securely and privately.